Ever wonder what your blood type is? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can check your blood type at home. Enjoy. To do this test, you will need a testing kit. The one I have here is the Eldon Home Blood Typing Kit. I provided a link down below in the description to where you could find this kit online. I recommend purchasing more than one kit just in case you make a mistake. The one I got here was a 3-pack. Let's open it up and see what's inside. A sterile alcohol swab, 2 lancets, 4 Eldon sticks, a pipette, the Eldon card, and the Eldon foil. You will also need a small cup of water. There's a couple of things you need to do to prepare. First, separate the Eldon sticks. Next, carefully remove the Eldon card from the protective wrapping. Find the perforated corner, tap it on a table to make sure you don't accidentally tear the card, open it up and pull out the card. Now grab your pipette and suck up some water. Place a single drop of water on the colored spots on each one of the 4 circles. Be careful not to let the tip of the pipette touch the card. Next, open the sterile alcohol swab and clean the tip of your finger. Give it a shake to let it dry and to get the blood flowing. Now grab one of those lancets and twist and pull off the protective cap. These are spring-loaded for one-time use, so be careful not to push the white part into the green part just yet. They provide 2 of these in the kit, just in case you mess up or if you're unable to get enough blood with just one stick. Now push the lancet firmly against the skin of the finger you just cleaned and go to your happy place because it might sting a bit. There, not too bad. To get the blood flowing, you might have to massage your finger in a squeezing motion. There we go. Once an ample drop of blood becomes available, transfer it to the tip of one of the Eldon sticks. Then transfer that blood to the first circle containing the water drop. Let the blood come into contact with the water and just lie the stick down for now. We're going to repeat this 3 more times using a new Eldon stick each time. Now stir each one with its respective stick and be very careful not to mix adjacent circles. Next, tilt the card and hold for 10 seconds at each angle so that everything mixes well. After 40 seconds of tilting the card, lay it down and you should see some clotting in one or more of the circles. In this example, the first circle clotted, and if you refer to the diagram on the instruction manual that came with the kit, you can see that my blood is A negative. Once your Eldon card completely dries, you can then take the Eldon foil, which I showed you earlier, peel off the backs and place it on top of your Eldon card to protect it. And that is how you can easily check your blood type at home using the Eldon card. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and click the bell so that you don't miss out on my future videos. I thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next one.